Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate the long tail cast on. The long tail cast on is called that because you get a long tail and you basically knit your first row. So what you do to start out, it's a great cast on for beginners because it knits your first row, so it's very secure. Okay, so first thing you do is you make a slip knot. The way that I do it is I wrap the yarn around my pointer finger, put yarn behind it, and push it through. So it kind of looks like a no smoking sign to me that you push through the cross. Then you have a loop, put your needle through it, and you tighten. Okay, so to begin, you take the yarn that is short, the cut end, keep that towards you, and the working end away from you, and you separate them with your pointer finger and your thumb. With your other three fingers, grab both pieces of yarn, okay? Then you're going to pull the needle down so that it makes a loop on your thumb, and you'll put the needle up through the loop on your thumb, pull the yarn on your pointer finger down through the loop on your thumb, pull your thumb out, pull the needle up, and with your thumb tighten. And I'll keep doing that. You pull the needle down to make a loop on your thumb, put the needle up through the thumb loop, pull the yarn on your pointer finger down through the thumb loop, take your thumb out, and tighten. And you keep doing this until you have the desired amount of stitches on your needle. For me, I am going to be knitting a swatch, and so I will just be doing 10, but I can do more or less. It just depends on how much yarn I gave myself with my tail. Okay, so I'll demonstrate again. Pull the needle down so you have a loop. Put the needle up through the loop. Pull this yarn down through the loop. Take your thumb out and tighten with your thumb. You can move the yarn over so that you have room on your needle. Pull the needle down. Put the needle up through the thumb loop. Pull the pointer finger yarn through the thumb loop, tighten with your thumb. And we'll just keep doing that. Let's see, how many stitches do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2 more. Feel free to watch this video over and over. You might need to. And that's that. And you will have stitches that look like little loops. That's your first row on this side. Here's your purl bumps. The next row that you knit when you do the long tail cast on would be a purl row. So this would be your knit side, and you would turn the needle around and you would grab another needle and you would purl. And I'll show you that in the next video. Thanks for watching.